Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee and today I have a quick fix recipe for you. If you have a sweet craving and want to make quickly something, I'm making instant Kalakand. I'm going to add condensed milk to it. I'll add some grated paneer, some cardamom powder, some milk powder. Any milk powder will do. You have to keep mixing this till you get the right consistency for Kalakand. You have to keep stirring till everything comes like one mass. We are almost there. The Kalakand mixture has come to the right consistency. I'll take a greased plate and even it out like a barfi. I'm going to garnish this with some pistachio. You can use any dry fruits you want. Kalakand is ready. When it cools down, then you can cut it into pieces and serve.